Hi guys, this is Lisa Gonzalez here with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort. I'm going to be going over the passive entry system on a 2019 Chevrolet Impala Premiere. So when you do have the keyless passive entry on your Impala, you do have the option to be able to unlock all 4 doors when you come up to the vehicle using the passive entry button, or to just unlock the driver door. So if you want to change that setting, you're going to go to your main settings screen, you're going to go to vehicle, you're going to go to power door locks, and then you're gonna go to auto door unlock. Now if you want it to where you actually have to manually unlock it, you're gonna click off. If you want it to where the second you press the keyless entry button, all doors will unlock, you click all doors. And if you want it just for your driver door setup, you just click your driver door icon. Now most people do the all doors, that way no one's waiting around. So we're gonna check that and then go back so it's saved. And that is how you use your passive entry system on a 2019 Chevrolet Impala Premiere.